Things are not looking good, bafethu, for Ubonang Mathebe, as I guess Maz, the famous Mzansi celebrity. Kuvela ukuthi laphana-ke SARS has issued Bonang Mathebe a final notice of debt collection for more than 7 million rand in an alleged unpaid personal income tax. She was given 10 business days to either pay the full amount or make a payment arrangement. That deadline has now passed. If she did not comply, SARS can now apply for a civil judgment and writ of execution. That writ gives the sheriff of the court the legal authority to pitch up at a door and attach her assets, her property, her vehicles, wherever they can find to cover the debt. Well, njengoba uzwa-ke lana ukuthi-ke ubona Mathebe bebemnika laphana-ke u-10 days ukuthi-ke akhokhe noma enze ama-arrangements ukuthi akhokhe-ke lapha imali ayikweletayo elinganiswa laphana ku-7 million wamarandi of unpaid personal income tax. Ngoba futhi i-tax serious kumele siyithathe serious siyikhokhe, yabo, siyikhokhe. Because uyabona njengamanje izinto zakhe noma izinto zakhe lapha ubonang kuyavela ukuthi-ke bazoyifofitha noma istate sizoyithatha ukuze sizokhava lesikweletu asikweletayo laphana-ke ubonang. But-ke indlela angagwema ngakho lokho kwenza ama-arrangement no-SARS masewenzile ama-arrangements yokuthi uzokhokha kanjani le mali le, and then mhlasimpe-ke bazomyeka-ke ukuthi-ke akhokhe and agcine-ke isithembiso sakhe sama-arrangements. But-ke maqhubeka, Bonang had a previous tax fraud case that ran from 2018 all the way to when she paid SARS an undisclosed amount. The case was struck from the roll. She admitted in court to not filing or filing personal tax returns from 2008 to 2017 and company tax returns from 2014 and 2017. She paid a 30,000 admission of guilt fine on top of the outstanding taxes. That matter was settled, but the fact is that it is happening again raises fair question. Did she learn from that experience or not? And all Bafethu, if I think Bafethu, if you're making a lot of money, if wenza imali eningi, you need o-financial advisor, abantu abazokwenzela into kanje, yabo, o-personal financial advisor abazokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi bayanang lo bayabhekelela izinto kanje kuthintana no-tax, yabo. So ish, and it's an unfortunate situation for lapha ubonang Mathebe. But yeah, guys, I'm going to this is where we end the video. Again, thank you.